In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Google Doc to email in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional sharing meeting notes or a student submitting an assignment, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. Before we dive into the built-in email feature, it's worth noting the quickest way to share your document, sending a direct link. You can simply click on the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the full URL, copy it, and then paste it into any email client. This method gives the recipient direct access to the live editable document in Google Docs, assuming you've set the sharing permissions correctly. This is ideal for collaborative work. For more formal sending or to send a static copy, we'll use the dedicated email function, which we'll cover next. Now, let's explore the more formal emailing options built directly into Google Docs. The first step is to navigate to the main toolbar at the top of your screen. From here, you'll want to locate and click on the File menu. This is your gateway to a wide range of actions you can perform on your document, including sharing, downloading, and of course, emailing. Once you've opened the File menu, scan down the list of options until you find Email. Hovering over it reveals a secondary menu. For this tutorial, we will focus on the most direct method, so go ahead and click Email this file. Clicking this opens a dedicated pop-up window, which is essentially a mini email composer right inside your Google Doc. This convenient feature means you don't have to open your Gmail tab separately. Here you can specify recipients, craft your subject and message, and choose how the file is sent. The subject field automatically populates with the document's title. It's always good practice to change this to something more specific and professional for your recipient. For this example, we'll simply change it to boss. Next, move down to the message field. This is where you can write the body of your email. You can add any context, instructions, or a simple note to accompany the file you're sending. We'll add a quick message here to provide context for our recipient. Now for a crucial step, deciding the format of your attachment. At the bottom of the window, you'll find the File Type drop-down menu. By default, it's set to PDF, which is a great universal format for preserving your document's layout. However, clicking on this menu reveals several other powerful options. You can send it as a Microsoft Word file if your recipient needs to edit it in Word as rich text for broader compatibility, or even as plain text to strip all formatting. You have full control over how the recipient receives the file. Here's another important option. Just above the file type, you'll see a checkbox labeled Don't Attach. Include content in the email. If you prefer not to send a separate file, you can select this option. This will take the entire content of your Google Doc and paste it directly into the body of the email itself. This is very useful for shorter documents or when you want the recipient to see the information immediately without opening an attachment. Once you've filled in the recipient, subject, and message, and have chosen your preferred sending method, you are ready to send. The final step is to click the Send button. Your email, along with the document in your chosen format, will be sent directly from Google Docs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send a Google Doc to email as an attachment, as a specific file type, like a PDF, or with the content embedded directly in the message. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.